How can we get value from waste? In our linear economy, we generate large volumes of waste. In 2008, the European Waste Framework Directive introduced 5 steps of waste management options: waste prevention, reuse, recycling, energy recovery, and a safe disposal in a sanitary landfill. As a consequence, materials recycling from waste has received increasing attention in recent years. Of the 2.5 billion tonnes of waste that was generated in the European Union in 2010, 49% was recovered and 6% was incinerated, typically for energy recovery. At the same time, still 45% ended up in landfill. But there are significant differences in waste management among different EU countries. Recovering varies from a few percent in some countries up to 70% in others, and while landfilling has virtually stopped in some countries, others still landfill more than 90% of their waste. As Europe is relatively poor in natural and mineral resources, the creation of raw materials from waste is a particular strategic issue. Europe aims to become a recycling society that seeks to avoid waste and uses waste as a resource. In order to reach this ambition, waste management needs to move up the waste hierarchy towards high-value recycled materials and reuse of products. In a true circular economy, products are used, reused, recycled, and converted into new valuable raw materials that can be used in new production cycles again and again and again. High landfilling costs provide a strong incentive for the development of recycling options for waste. But cost savings are not the only drivers. High-quality recycling provides industry with valuable raw materials and reduces the dependency on natural and mineral resources. On the other hand, the valorization of recycled waste is sometimes hampered by legislative constraints, lack of existing market outlets, and stringent product norms. How can we overcome these barriers and stimulate innovation in the waste resource management sector up to 2020 and beyond? The transnational cross-sector innovation network, ReNew, aims to spur innovation in the waste sector of Northwest Europe by developing waste treatment technologies and by delivering policy support. The innovation roadmap that was created describes possible routes to turn both organic as well as inorganic waste streams into high-quality materials that can be reused as resources. For 8 innovative high-potential technologies, drivers and barriers were identified in order to develop pathways to overcome them. In this way, the roadmap paves the way towards a European recycling society that values waste as a resource.